What's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. In this episode, we're going to be discussing everything watch time. And I know you're probably like, Tonio, what's going on, dog? My content is A1, my B-roll is crispy, and my charisma on camera, my talking is eloquent, right? And they still not messing with me. They still not watching my content. So I'm here to help you out because I know I've been in that position as well. So I'm gonna tell you the 3 reasons why you're probably not getting the watch time that you should be and how to rectify that. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And thumbs up the video if you get true value out of it. But I don't wanna take up a lot of your time, so let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so one of the main reasons why you're probably struggling with your watch time is you don't have enough videos on your channel, okay? And to be honest with you, you gotta be honest with yourself, dog. Like, your content is probably trash. If you're sub 100 videos, especially if you're first starting out on YouTube, your content is horrible. And I know people tell me, no, my content is fire, my B-roll is amazing. And when I go look at your videos, I'm like, nah, bro, it's not good. It's not up to par, dog. And it's okay. Normally your first 100 videos are going to be trash. You have to understand that YouTube is a skill that is developed over time. Now, there are people that get on the platform and kill it, like Peter McKinnon is just fire in his first 20 videos, and you saw how his channel took off, right? But for the majority of people, if you're first starting out on YouTube, your first content pieces are gonna be trash, and you just have to continue making videos. And as your videos get better, more people wanna watch more of your videos, and then your videos start to work for you. So what I tell most creators is just create, create, create. Don't be afraid to post your crappy videos, okay? But as you grow, your content will get better and you will be able to grow. It just takes time. But the more videos you create, the more opportunities you are to be found, thus increases watch time. And also, I don't have any scientific information on this, but honestly, YouTube, I've seen from my experience, doesn't really push creators that are sub 1,000 subscribers. So you definitely need to work on your subscriber count for YouTube to start recommending your content, because YouTube, if your content is good and you're sub 4,000 watch hours, if you have 1,000 subscribers, I've noticed that they'll still push your content to get more views on it, and then you're able to monetize your channel. Now, again, that's just a theory. I've seen that, but I know a lot of other creators feel the same exact way, and I honestly feel the same exact way myself. Now, if you haven't checked out my video, I talk about my journey from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, and I tell you the truth about it. So if you haven't checked that video out, check it out. I'll link it up here. Y'all, so another reason why you guys are probably struggling to get watch time is that you're not diving deep into your YouTube analytics. You gotta get into your YouTube education, okay? Like, literally, you need to study it, because YouTube is cold-blooded. I'm gonna be honest with you, because it'll tell you why you suck, how you suck, and what you should never do again, okay? Because literally, especially with the tool called audience retention, it'll tell you specifically at what time the majority of people dropped off your videos. And you probably coughed, didn't even realize it. Somebody said coronavirus and then just left the video. They don't even want to take a risk no more. They don't even care if it's through the screen. They're not going to risk it, okay? So you want to make sure that you realize what you're doing in your videos that is causing people to leave, okay? And also, YouTube gives you a lot of powerful tools to help increase your watch time. So if you're not using tools like end cards, end cards are dope. If you notice, I always have end cards at the end of my video, because YouTube has gotten really dope with their algorithm. Like, they'll literally suggest content for your audience that they think they will like. So YouTube will go through a little stew and they say, hey, based on the content that this creator creates, I'm gonna show you this video because I know you will like it. That's amazing, okay? And then you wanna make sure that you're using the cards in the video. I even use it at the first segment of this video, right? So I literally said, hey, listen, if you wanna check out this video that I created, look at this card up here, right? That's a really good way to drive watch time, right? And if you're not using playlists as well, playlists are amazing. I have a whole playlist, just dedicated to YouTube tips. So if you're just finding my content, like if you're just watching this video, you can literally go to one of my playlists and binge watch it. okay? So use the tools that YouTube gives you. You wanna use all of them honestly, because if you're not using them, you're pretty much leaving watch time on the table. And definitely when you're first starting, you don't have any room not to use all the tools that are accessible to you. Now, once you start really getting into your YouTube bag, you wanna level up your performance and making sure that your videos hit every time. You need to start using a tool like TubeBuddy. I love TubeBuddy. I talk about TubeBuddy a lot, but especially when it comes to ranking your videos, keyword search, all that good stuff. TubeBuddy is literally the #1 tool that I recommend. So if you definitely want to level up your content and driving more traffic to your content, which in turn will increase watch time, you definitely need to get TubeBuddy. I'll have a link down below in the description. That's definitely a tool that you want to check out. Now, I will say the fastest way to grow your channel, and that's watch time, views, subscribers, is through paid advertisements, okay? But I have to put this disclaimer, okay? If your channel isn't already getting some type of traffic already, like you're not growing organically, you are not in the space to be thinking about paid advertisements. You have to do everything I said in the first 2 segments and be doing it for a considerable amount of time to start thinking about paid advertisements. And here's why. All paid ads is adding, gasoline to the fire. If there is no fire, you're literally pouring gasoline on the ground and you're gonna do nothing for your channel but waste valuable time and resources, and it's not really going to help you. So normally when you know that you're in a position to start running paid advertisements, typically you start getting likes. You start seeing comments like, hey, this channel should be, 1 million subscribers or 10,000 subscribers, or you deserve more subs, or I really love your content. More people should be viewing it. You should start seeing that type of engagement, and you should start seeing that ball rolling. And then once that ball is starting to turn, then you might want to think about paid advertisements. But everything has to be in place before you even think about paid ads. However, once you get your channel to a space to where, okay, it's doing well, it's starting to grow organically, I want to start using paid ads to kind of explode it, that is the time. But that is it for the video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. Hopefully you have everything that you need now to get your watch time up. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, be easy.